D1, the agile legend handles tight spaces with ease. D2, the cat delivers superior performance. D3, the versatile workhorse, perfect for forestry, landscaping, and more. D4, medium dozer with better visibility. D5, Cat Command, the tech powerhouse, built strictly with next-gen control. D6, the eco-friendly all-rounder cleans up the job site without compromise. D7, the unstoppable climber conquers slopes with superior stability. D8, the blazing ripper tears through anything with unmatched speed. D9, the modern legend, a symbol of power and progress. D10, the precision Titan power meets intelligence for ultimate efficiency. D11T, the unmatched behemoth, the largest of them all, conquering any mine.